Hey folks, Ray from Love Your RV and Boat. In this video, I'm just going to give you some dash cam footage of a couple of fairly steep grades going into Death Valley National Park. I came from Mojave. Now, recently a hurricane went through and dropped a lot of water in this area. So this road that normally I would take Highway 127 down into Furnace Creek here from I-15 in Baker, it's not too many steep grades or anything. It's fairly flat. That wasn't an option, so I decided to take a route that I've taken in the past, but it does have a couple white steep areas, so I thought I'd show you in case you're thinking of taking an RV this way. So I came out of Mojave and made my way down to Searles Valley here, and Trona Pinnacles is pretty close to that. And then I went through this valley here, I think it's Panamint Valley, over to 190, which is the main road through the Death Valley National Park. So there's a couple of steep grades. Let's get me to satellite view here. And right in here, you can see all this curviness going on. And that is actually, you come up there and then you drop down a very kind of narrow and windy section of the highway. It's not too bad, but you have to slow right down to maybe 30 miles an hour or so to navigate those corners, and it's quite a steep grade. It must be 8% or so going down there, so you got to make sure you got your brakes working well. We have an exhaust turbo exhaust brake on the Ram, so it's not much of a problem going downhill for us. The other one, you go through the flat valley here, but after you hook on to 190, you climb very rapidly from the valley all the way up to 5,000 feet. So you climb, I think, pretty close to 4,000 feet in around 10 miles. Actually, have a sign saying turn off your air conditioning. And then once you hit that, you're going to be dropping down all the way down to Stovepipe Wells here. And there are Mesquite Dunes are down there. Then you're in Death Valley. And there's some cornering down there too you have to watch. You've got to really watch your downhill speed. I'll just show you on this elevation tool called Flattest Route. flattestroute.com, and you can see the elevation changes here as you go up. That's that one that comes quickly down and very windy there. Then you go through the valley, then you go straight up and then all the way back down into Death Valley National Park. And you can kind of see the grades here. Right there, you got about an 8% grade. And even down here, there's even down as much as 10% going up and down. So anyway, let's get to the footage. First, we'll show you the one, I don't even know what that pass is called. It's on the Trona Wild Rose Road, I think. It might be Highway 178 or 278. And then there's the one on 190 that's quite a steep grade, both up and down.